Yes/no questions, simple past. In this lesson, you'll learn about how to make yes/no questions with all the verbs in the simple past except the be verb. How was your trip to New York City? Did you walk across the Brooklyn Bridge? Did you visit the Statue of Liberty? Did you visit the museums? Did you eat a bagel? Was the weather nice? Okay, these are all yes/no questions, but you can see we have 4 questions that start with did. Did you walk? Did you visit? Did you visit? Did you eat? And then we have was the weather nice? This last one, is a yes/no question with the be verb. But you can see for all other verbs, we need did to ask the question. Let's look. Use did to form a question in the past. Every question starts with did. And then the subject. Here we have a list of pronouns to use as subjects. And then the verb. And the verb stays in the simple form. It doesn't change. Let's make some questions. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. Did he run yesterday? No, he didn't. He swam. Did she finish her research paper? No, she didn't. Not yet. Did it rain a lot last spring? Yes, it did. Did we get the contract for the project? Yes, we did. Did they eat all of the cake? Yes, they did. You only need to remember one pattern to form yes/no questions in the past. Start with did, then put the subject, and then put the verb and whatever other information you need. Did I lock the front door? Did she forget her water bottle? Did her grandchildren arrive? They all start with did, and then have the subject, and then the verb, and notice lock, forget, and arrive. The verb stays in the simple form. Don't put the verb in the past. Okay, let's practice. What is the correct word order? You know you have to start with did. Did Gina work in her garden? Did Gina work in her garden? Yes, she did. She planted flowers yesterday. What is the correct word order to make this question? Did they do laundry yesterday? Did they do laundry yesterday? Yes, they did. They did 3 loads of laundry. Last one. Did you spill coffee on my papers? Did you spill coffee on my papers? No, I didn't. The cat spilled your coffee. Now you know to form yes/no questions in the simple past. Start with did, then put the subject, and then put the verb and any other information. Did I lock the front door? Did they eat all of the cake? Did you understand?